Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction in Willo Historic Neighborhood, episode 8. We have made some really great progress on framing. Our HVAC crew is out here today putting in new ductwork for us, and our electricians are here working hard away because there's a lot of work to create and do for them here. I am so excited to show you around our space today. Let's get started. So we're going to start in our master bathroom and bedroom here. I am so excited to show you this view today because the framers have done so much work here that it actually feel like the spaces that we're going to have. These arched doorways coming from this master closet, through this space and into the master bathroom. Oh, I'm in love already, and I'm so excited to see them when they're drywalled and when this space is completed. You can see that over here on this side, this is where our alcove is going to be for a cabinet for storage, and then over here is where our water closet is. As we walk through here, then over here will be our vanities. That's our vanity with 2 sinks. And then over on this side is where our shower is going to be with those new beautiful windows in them. Thank goodness. But look up in the ceiling. They have got lighting in. We have vent fan locations in. As you saw back over here, we have new ductwork coming through our space. Up here in this attic space, oh, that's our new attic access over here. And then this is our new supply for our ductwork. What we have done here, friends, as I walk you through a couple of our spaces, is come up with a plan to relocate the supply for the heating and air conditioning and the returns to the attic space. Initially, when this was done, heaven only knows when, because the home was probably built without air conditioning in it, they did everything underground. Those were not in as a protected nature as in the attic space, but they were also then disconnected from one another, and you didn't have access to repair them as easily because they were under wood floors. So we were able to do this after we did demo and figured out where all these things were kind of going haywire for this space, and then provide an option for these homeowners to have a better supply for heating and air conditioning the home, because that was a challenge before. They're getting new fantastic Pella windows in that'll help with the insulative properties and the insulation value of the home. But then when you get in here, we really needed the heating and air to work better. So as you can see over here in that, above that kitchen, that's where that duct work, that flex duct, they call it flexible, so it's squishy, so they can move it around easier, and it still stays with round openings, but all that flex duct is going above that ceiling, and then it's been in the attic above these ceilings. Oh, just so awesome. That is going to be our doorway from the living room into the kitchen space now. You can kind of see where that's at. Oh, it's so exciting. I'm just incredibly excited about the progress on this space. But we've worked with our homeowners to be able to do this heating and air conditioning change up at this stage of this project, so that their future use of this becomes very balanced throughout their home, and they don't have cold spots and hot spots during different seasons, but that it also functions very, very well and has great access for any challenges or issues that may come up in the future. This is our new laundry closet. You can see we've got a supply in here also. And then we've got our water box back there for our washing machine, our vent down low for our dryer, all those things that are going to be in that space. But as we walk through here, friends, we are going to have a supply here in this bedroom, and then that's where we're going to build the soffit. The soffit's going to go over this door space here, so that we can drop the soffit through here, through that opening. We're going to create an opening, and then it'll come to a soffit in this space, so that we can supply the music room and this bathroom, because these spaces have a flat roof on them. So here we are outside, friends. You can see we have our new garage door openings, our existing garage door openings reframed so that they can function well as 2 garage doors now for this home. And then as you walk in here, we have created an opening from the garage into what will become a storage room with a wash sink in it. This was where the washing machine and dryer were before, and then we've framed in the opening from that door so that that can just be a storage room. The door can be infilled, outside will get finished. It'll have a window in it, which is great to get some light through that space, but then this will be where they have a laundry sink in this storage space, be able to wash the dog outside. So here we have our electricians working in our den, and you can see now that we've furred out this brick wall on the side of the space, and then furred out the wall down there also. Hello, thank you so much. He's doing such a great job, isn't he? So our electricians are here doing their fantastic work, getting everything moved around. We've got an outlet going above that fireplace so that they can hang the TV up there. We've got all these framing members in, and then this foam roof was finished. So I can just give you a little bit of perspective of the foam roof here, friends. But we've got the fascia board replaced and the drip edges on there so that it will keep it water resistant, and then our foam roof is done. Oh goodness, friends, all the progress. So for Coffee and Construction in Willo Historic Neighborhood, thank you for being on this journey with us, friends. We really appreciate you joining in with us. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.